Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the home notifications in the Smart Life application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the App Notification button. And at the Get Notified By section, look for the Home button. And to enable that, just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns green, the home notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.